Let's say you have two calendars in Outlook, your personal calendar you normally use, and then your PracticePanther calendar, which is brand new and also very, very empty and lonely. And you want to get all of your personal events into the PracticePanther calendar so it also shows up in the PracticePanther calendar over here. So what you have to do is export your personal calendar and then import it to PracticePanther, which will then sync over to PracticePanther if you've synced your calendars over. So to do that, you click File on the top left of Outlook. You click Open and Export. You click Import Export. And the first step is to export your calendar to a file. Click Next. You want a comma separated value. Click Next. You want to select the calendar, not the PracticePanther one. You want to select your personal calendar and click Next. You want to find a good location to save it. Click Next. And you want to finish and save. It's going to ask you what timeline, what dates, what calendar events you want to save over. So put your dates and click OK. And it's going to export all of your events. The next step is to import the events into the PracticePanther calendar. So now we're going to do the same thing. File, Open and Export, Import Export. But this time we're going to select Import from another program or file. Click Next. Click Next again. And now you're going to select the file you just exported. And most likely you're going to, you can click Do Not Import Duplicate Items, whatever you want. Click Next. Now this is the important part. The destination of where we're going to import the events must be in the PracticePanther calendar. And then click Next and click Finish. And now, as you see, I have my personal calendar and I have my PracticePanther calendar. Now, it's obviously going to be the same events duplicates. If I merge them, you're going to see it twice, but let's unmerge them. But now what will happen in the next 24 hours, it's going to start syncing all of my events back into the PracticePanther calendar. Now, from now on, anytime you make a new appointment, you want to make sure that you put that appointment on the PracticePanther calendar. So on the bottom, you want to make sure it's in the PracticePanther folder or calendar. Or just right-click and do New Appointment on the PracticePanther calendar. So that way it will start syncing over to PracticePanther. That's it.